Hey everyone, Element500 Gaming here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you all my best, favoritist, and rarest Pokemon cards that I own. So I'm just not going to talk in this video, I'm just going to quickly just flash up each card, show you, and then you can just pause the video whenever you want to see a card. Alright, so let's get the stack. In the next video I'm going to do all my World Champion cards. Alright, so this isn't going to have any World Champion cards in it. Alright. This one's my favorite, by the way. This Rainbow Rare. Okay, it looks like we're about halfway done. Actually, maybe about 1/3 done. I'm going to try and go a little bit faster. I'm going to make sure the video's not too long. Do any of you guys watch Unlisted Leaf? If you do, comment down below and tell me your favorite video of his. He's probably my favorite Pokemon card YouTube channel. Cause I love collecting Pokemon cards, and he's probably my favorite YouTube channel about Pokemon cards. The thing different between my channel and his is mine isn't all about Pokemon cards. His is. Oh yeah, these are brakes, so I need to turn them sideways. If you guys can see. About 4 to 5 minutes in right now. Alright. Now back to regular cards. from here on out, these cards are going to be hollow, and they're not going to look like they're special, but really they are going to be special. They're going to be hollow, you just won't really see the hollowness of them. I'm going to kind of try and go a little bit faster. By this point, you guys are probably bored of all the cards. Oh, this is probably my favorite hollow. It's like an old school Gyarados hollow. Actually, I don't think I'm going to do a video on my World Champion cards. That'd just take forever to film and then upload and to get everything set up. And World Champions don't really count as cards that are rare. They're just cool looking. They look pretty cool. And they were used in a tournament. That's the only thing special about them. And that is the last card. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And bye, guys.